Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to make an aesthetic intro. Let's start! And so first you're gonna have to choose the background of your intro. Any photo will do. And as you can see, there are a lot of motion stickers in this app, so you can choose it as a design, or you can just choose any fonts and design for your text. Then type in any interesting words that you got for your intro. Simply like, hey guys. And then export it and save it in your gallery. Now go back to your work and change the words. You can either put your name on it or the name of your channel. You can also add any stickers on the name so it will pop up. And you're gonna save it again. And you're gonna go back to your work again and change the words. Type in subscribe and save it. Now go back to your work again and add some stickers as you like. Like mine, I added this little notification bell sticker so that it will remind people to turn on the notification bell after hitting the subscribe button. Yes, that one. Now save it to your gallery again. And then go back to your work again. And you could add your Instagram account or any social media accounts on top of the subscribe word so that people will be able to follow you throughout your social media accounts. To save it again. Now you're gonna have to go back to the front page of the app and choose the works that you have saved according to the sequence that you have saved it. combine all the image that you saved together, it will automatically turn into a video, which will make it your intro. Just like that. But you can also add some static music if you like, for some background music of your intro. And now here is your result. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bells for more video. You can also follow my Instagram account. Bye!